Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you will be well. So, in today's class, we will learn how to rounding off the numbers. Today, in this class, we will learn how to round off any number to its nearest 10, nearest 100, or nearest 1000. Why we do so? हम ऐसा क्यों करते हैं? So let's take an example. Suppose your parents ask you to go to the market, okay, and she give you a shopping list. Suppose you have to buy rice, 2 kilogram, okay, and potato 4 kilogram. Then you will asked to buy salt packet 1 packet, okay. Then next thing you have asked to bring tomato this also 2 kilogram, okay. So this is your material, this is your items which you have to purchase from the market. Now what will you do? You will ask your parents, your mother or father for money. Then how much money will you take to the market? So before asking for money, we will estimate the amount. For example, rice के लिए हमको कितना पैसा लगेगा? And because we are going to the market and we don't know what will be the price of this 2 kilogram rice, then what will we do? Yes, we just estimate. We think that the price of rice will be 25 rupees per kg. So for 2 kg we have to pay 50 rupees. Second thing, potato. We think that the price of potato may be 15 rupees. Okay. So for 4 kg we have to pay 60 rupees. Next, salt 1 packet. I think it may be 20 rupees of that packet. So I take 20 rupees. Then tomato. Suppose I have to buy 2 kg and price may be 20 rupees per kg. So for 2 kg I have to give 40 rupees. Now let's add what is the total amount I may have to pay. This will be 0, then 5 and 6 11, 13, 13 and 4 17. The total amount may be 170 rupees. So how much money we ask from our parents? Whether we will take 100 rupees or 200 rupees. How much money we ask from our parents? Yes, we will take 200. हम 200 रुपये अपने पेरेंट्स से मांगेंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारा जो एस्टिमेट हो रहा है 170 हो रहा है. तो यदि हम 100 रुपीस लेके जाएंगे या 150 लेके जाएंगे तो हो सकता है सॉरी ये जितना सामान हमको लिखा गया है उतना हमको ना मिले. बिकॉज वी हैव जस्ट एस्टिमेटेड. हमने केवल अनुमान लगाया था कि राइस में भी 25, इट में भी 30 आल्सो, इट में भी 20 आल्सो, कोई भी हो सकता है. तो यदि हम 200 लेके जाएंगे तब हमको सारे सामान जितना हमको मंगाया गया है हम ला सकते हैं. ठीक है. सो लाइक दिस वन अनदर एग्जांपल लेट्स टेक. सपोज दिस इज अ रोड and in this road there are 2 places. Okay, this is one place P, the name of this place is P, and here another place that is Q. So these are the 2 places. One person is standing just here at O. So if यानी टाइगर केम हियर, यदि कोई शेर आता है इसके पास, देन व्हिच प्लेस इट विल रन to which place? Either it will run towards P or towards Q. Yes, this person runs towards P because it is nearer than Q. ये जो जगह P है वो Q से इसके लिए नजदीक में है. But if another person is standing, okay, if another person is standing at this place, okay, let's name is A. Another person is at A. If any other tiger came to this place, then at this time A will run towards Q, not towards P, because this time for A, Q is nearer than P. A के लिए Q नजदीक में है और P दूर में है, तो A किधर दौड़ेगा? Q की ओर. जस्ट लाइक दिस हम किसी भी नंबर को इसी आधार पे क्या करते हैं? राउंडिंग ऑफ करते हैं. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. 6245. दिस इज अ नंबर. We have to rotate round up this number to nearest 10. Okay, nearest 10. तो nearest 10 में इसको कन्वर्ट करना है. So we have to take only 2 place. हमको सारे नंबर की जरूरत नहीं है. We just require 2 place. Which 2 place? 1's place and 10's place. So look at this number. This number is 45. This number is 45. And we know that this number is between 2 tens. One is 40 and another is 50. This is between in these two numbers, these 2 tens, 4 tens and 5 tens. And we know that 45 is just in the middle of these two numbers, between 40 and 50. 45 क्या दोनों के बीच में है. So to round up nearest 10, we will select nearest tens. हम क्या करेंगे? 45 को nearest 10 में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या है? 40 and 50 both are at same distance, दोनों बराबर में हैं, तो हम यहाँ पे प्रायोरिटी देंगे 50 को. तो 6245, when we round up this number to nearest 10, it will be 6250. हम इसको नियरेस्ट 10 में इस तरह से कन्वर्ट करेंगे. ओके, सो लेट्स टेक अनदर एग्जांपल. One other example, 86,799. The number is here 86,799. So this number again we will round up this number to its nearest 10. Nearest 10. So again here we require only 2 place, this 1's place and 10's place, and this 2 place the number is 99. Again it is between 2 tens. This side there is 9 tens, that means 90, and other side this is 10 tens. 10 tens, that means 100. So look at this number 99. You can see that 99 is nearest to 100, not 90. 99 किसके नजदीक में है? 100 के नजदीक में है. 90 से काफी दूर में है. 90 से 99 आने के लिए आपको 9 स्टेप जाना पड़ेगा, जबकि 99 से 100 तक आने में यू हैव टू गो ओनली 1 स्टेप. तो 99 से कौन नजदीक में है? 100. So what will be the nearest 10 of 99? 100. But as it is 799, So after 799, what is the next number? Yes, that will be its the nearest 10, and that will be 86,800. This is nearest 10 of number 86,799. In this way we can round up any numbers. Okay. Another example, let's take any other example to convert the number into its nearest 10, and that is 1,25,411. This is another number. Okay, let's clear it. Again write 1,25,411. Let's guess what will be its nearest 10. First do by yourself, then I will explain. 1,25,411. What will be its nearest 10? We have to answer. Either its nearest 10 will be 1,25,410 or 1,25,420. And why out of this? Let's take why this will be the answer. Look at this number. Again in this number we have to convert this number to its nearest 10. So again we require only two places, no need for other places. Other place की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. We will just take this number, that is 11. So this is number 11. Again this number 11 is between two places, and left side this is 110. 110 means 10, and second side there is 2 tens. 2 tens means yes 20. So 11 is between 10 and 20, and you know that which is nearest to 11, 10 or 20? Yes, 10 is nearest to 11. 11 से नजदीक में कौन सा है? 10 है या 20 है? 10 है ना? 11 के नजदीक में कौन सा नंबर है? 10. तो इसका राउंडिंग आप नंबर कौन सा होगा? 10, not 420. So its rounding to nearest 10, that will be 1,25,410. This is the correct answer and this is wrong. Okay. So in this way we can convert any number to its nearest 10. Clear? Let's take another example. 1,479. Now look at this number. We can say that this number is between two tens. Again we have to round up this number to nearest 10. So for nearest 10, here the number is 79. We have to convert this number to nearest 10. Now look at this number is between 70 and 80, and you know that 79 is nearest to 80. 79 किसके नजदीक में है? 80 के. So its nearest 10 will be 1,480. Okay, 1,480. इस तरह से हम किसी भी नंबर को नियरेस्ट 10 में राउंड ऑफ कर सकते हैं. ओके ओके. नाउ लेट्स लर्न अबाउट नियरेस्ट 100. लेट्स टेक द सेम एग्जांपल 1,479. okay, to this number we have to find out the nearest 100. Here we will get nearest 100. Nearest 100. what will be the nearest 100 of this number. So for getting nearest 100 we have to take three places. First three ones, tens and 100. That number is 479. Now look at this 479 is between 200. One side there are 400 and second side there is 500. 400 means 400 and it means 500. Now look at this number 479. ये जो 479 है किसके नजदीक में है, 400 के या 500 के? सो लुक एट हियर 479 से 400 आने में हमको कितना दूरी तय करना है, 79 स्टेप, जबकि 479 से 500 आने में वी हैव टू गो ओनली 21 स्टेप. करेक्ट. हमको 479 से 400 आने में कितना स्टेप जाना है, 79, जबकि 500 आने के लिए वी हैव टू गो ओनली 21 स्टेप. So we can say 500 is nearer than 400. So its nearest 100 is 500 and this will return as 1500 as its nearest 100. So if we round up this number to its nearest 100, that will be 1500. Clear? Let's take other example. $98,649. This is next number, 98,649. Again to this number we have to round up to its nearest 100. So which digits are there up to 100 place? Yes, these three. 649. So 649. This number is between 600 and 700. And tell dear students, which number is nearest to 649? 649 से नजदीक में कौन सा है, 600 है या 700 है? Let's take calculation. From 649, if we want to go 600, we have to go 49 steps. But if we go to 700 from 649, we have to go 51 steps. So which is nearer? Yes, 49 is smaller. So 600 is near than. So 600 is near than 700. So its rounding number is nearest 100 will be 600 and this will be written as 600. If we round out this number 98,649 into its nearest 100, that will be 98,600. So in this way we can round up any number to its nearest 10 or nearest 100. Okay. Thank you for today's class. Have a nice day.